Seeing the message, "This infotainment system is not compatible with your vehicle." This happens when your infotainment system's software, called firmware, doesn't match your vehicle's unique ID, known as the VIN. The VIN is a unique code that identifies your specific vehicle. It's common in older vehicles, especially pre-2020 models, after software updates, hardware replacements, or factory resets. Recent fixes include over-the-air updates, dealer tools, and DIY methods. Understanding the cause is key before attempting a fix. Incorrect fixes can lead to serious vehicle issues, so professional reprogramming is recommended. The primary fix involves reprogramming the infotainment system's firmware to match your VIN. Dealers use specialized tools like GM's TechLine Connect. DIY options exist like HP tuners, but proceed with caution. The process involves scanning your VIN, downloading the correct firmware from the manufacturer, and flashing it using an OBD2 port. Always back up your original firmware first. For newer vehicles, check for OTA updates first. If aftermarket systems are involved, ensure they're correctly VIN synced to avoid causing the error.